Hello dear students, today we'll take up part 2 lesson 4 subject verb agreement from your English practice book. We have read about various subject verb agreement. Today we are taking some more. Singular verb will be there with two singular subjects. Then if the subject is each, we will again use singular verb. Then either or, neither nor, we will have plural verb. Then sums of money. If we are having sums of money as our subject, we will use singular verb. And with any data, we will use plural verb. Now, neither nor. If both nouns used with neither nor are singular, then we use singular verb. Like, neither the green dress nor the pink dress is available for now in our shop. But if one of the nouns is singular and the other one is plural, we need to go to the noun that is closer to the verb. If the closer noun to the verb is singular, we use a singular verb. If the closer noun to the verb is plural, we use plural verb. Get it simplified with the help of examples like neither the employees nor the boss. Now, here the boss is near, so we will use singular verb. The boss was at work. Now, neither Susan nor her friends. Now, the subject we are using here is her friends, which is plural. Then we will use are going to the party tonight. Then again, some more examples. Both, then both are idiots. This is just an example. With few, few could be here. Fewer, fewer are smoking these days. Many, many want to come. Many want to come. They say that tomatoes are healthy. Then again a few more. All is over. Such is life. Most have finished the test. Now, each of the following sentences begins with a singular subject. So it should have a singular verb. Like, one of the boys is missing. Someone has stolen my pen. No one is happy. Either of the sisters is a good singer. Neither of the brothers is to blame. Normally, a subject is followed by its verb. At times, several word groups can be used between the subject and its verb without changing the original subject-verb agreement. And we use comma to enclose the word group and show that these word groups are not to be treated as a part of subject. A verb will agree with its subject before the word group. Like, get it understand with some examples. Radha, in addition to her brother, has come. Means Radha is also accompanying her brother. So here we will look for the subject Radha. Radha, in addition to her brother, has come. Now the has verb is satisfying the singular subject Radha. Now, again, Rakesh with his family was present. Gopal, along with his brothers, has been invited. Remember, each, everyone, everybody, anyone, anybody, someone, no one, and somebody are singular and require singular verbs. Then singular and indefinite pronouns, we have already read them. We'll take up the examples. Each of these hot dogs is juicy. Everybody knows Mr. Jones. So each, everybody, everyone, nobody, anybody are taken as singular subjects. Like, neither of the two brothers is very tall. This is an exercise based on omissions, and look carefully and you can add you have to add be form. Now, neither Raghav nor Madhav is a businessman. Every one of those shirts is new. Neither of them is qualified enough to teach in a college. Each of the actors and the actresses to be given a special award by the president. Here, all the subjects used as singular subject. That's why we have taken singular verb. Now, in your homework, you will revise and complete the worksheets. Till then, goodbye. Take good care of yourself.